welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all your love and support for my previous videos, and if you're new to my channel, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. So this is the look I created today. It's a soft glam smoky eye look. So I will show you how I created this look, and let's get started. First, I cleansed my skin and I'm going to use my NYX eyeshadow base Primary Nude on both of my eyelids. This helps to enhance the color and hold the eyeshadow shade, prevent creasing and minimize fallout. Moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked palette, and I took this shade, which is a beautiful shimmery champagne color, on my eyebrow bone. I am sticking the sellotape a few gap away from lower lash line. Now I'm taking the Rimmel Candela eyeliner and I started to pat this on my eyelid and making sure not to go near the crease. Then I'm taking a matte brown eyeshadow and working on the crease. This is where the transition color and the black meet. You have to keep blending until you get a smooth transition between all the colors. Now I'm blending the black eyeliner on my eyelid and making sure not to go near the crease. Also make sure to make a nice arch at the end, and I'm doing the same on the other eye and dragging the color towards the tape. Now I'm taking the matte black shade and directly applying onto the areas where I put the gel eyeliner, just spreading out the black evenly on my eyelid. Then I'm taking a big fluffy brush and making sure this is blended all nice together. Next, I'm taking the Rimmel Wonder Ink eyeliner and slightly winging my eyes. You can't really see that you have got this in your eye, but you can make a perfect wing on the outer part. Now I'm applying my favorite glass primer from Makeup Revolution. Then I'm taking my foundation from Revlon and putting that on my face and blending it with Beauty Blender evenly on my face. Now I'm again taking the Rimmel gel liner and basically drawing a thick line underneath my lash line. This makes the look super intense, also adding to my lower waterline as well. I applied same to the other eye and making sure that both are even and same as possible. I'm taking the same black matte eyeshadow from Naked and just putting it on top of the gel liner to make sure it's not looking too harsh. Next is the time for my concealer. My favorite Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser, and putting it on my usual parts of the face. Then I'm making sure I apply on the triangle part of the face, under my eyes, chin, the bridge of my nose and my forehead. I'm blending all the way with my Beauty Blender. I am setting my concealer with the Barium Banana Powder under my eye, and all the areas I applied the concealer. Then I'm taking the NYX Wonderstick contour stick and I'm taking the dark shade and contouring my face. First going my underneath cheekbones, jawline, hairline and also around my nose, and just blending all the way with the Beauty Blender. Now I'm taking the brow pomade from Makeup Revolution and drawing my eyebrows, just giving the outline and filling in the eyebrows. Now I'm using the blush from Morphe blush palette and applying onto my cheekbone. Moving on to the highlighter, I'm using the highlighter from NYKA. I'm highlighting my cheeks and nose and the usual places where I like to highlight. For my lips, I'm lining with the LA Girl lip liner. First, I line my lips and fill them all in, and it helps the lipstick to last longer. And the lipstick I went for is the L'Oreal Matte Rich Lipstick shade 636, which is a beautiful nude brown, and adding up a lip gloss, a Fenty lip gloss on top. Now I'm really happy with the way it's looking, and I did my fake eyelashes off the camera, and I hope you all like this look. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you all like this. So if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, see you all next Friday.